Hi everyone, today we'll be solving this problem, example 1.7, where we are gonna be applying the equation of fluid shear stress. It's a pretty simple example, and here we go. Suppose that the fluid being shared in figure 7.1, which is this figure right here, where a SIA 30 oil at 20 degrees Celsius. Compute the shear stress in the oil if the velocity of the plate moving here is equal to 3 meters per second and the height of this distance is equal to 2 centimeters. In this example, we're going to be considering that this fluid is viscous and induced by the relative motion between the two plates. Also, that is a linear velocity profile as shown in this. First thing you need to do is find the equation that we're going to be using, which is the equation for the fluid shear stress. Here we know that the fluid shear stress is equal to the viscosity, the velocity of the moving plate, and the height between the two plates. Most of the information we already have. The velocity of the moving plate, we know that this is moving and this one is fixed. This distance is already shown, which is 2 centimeters. We want to know the viscosity. In the book, they present for us this table. Here in this table, we can see that the viscosity of this fluid is shown in this column. We want the viscosity of the fluid, say 30 oil, which is 0.29. Now we just will apply this equation. The velocity is known, equals to 3 meters per second, and the distance between the two players. Here I'm gonna put it on meters to keep on the SY. I always like to put the units after the equation, which is much better to visualize the result of the final units. For the viscosity, we have kilograms per meter per second. Distance, just meters. Now we can cut this two. We join this one. So result of this equation is that the shear stress is equal to 43.5 kilograms per meters second. You guys probably know that the unity for shear stress is most common use in Pascal, so we have to change it. We know that Pascal is equal to newtons per meters cubic. So how are we gonna make this look like this? Simple, just multiply. Here we know that kilograms meters per second square, I forget the square here, sorry, is equal to newtons, and we keep with meter square. So here we have newtons per meter square, which equal to Pascal. We didn't have to add anything to multiply, so the same number for the shear stress is 43.5. So our result is shear stress is equal to 43.5 Pascal. Thank you guys. The PDF of this solution will be on the description, and see you there.